This might be the best business keyboard on the market today. You've probably heard of Cherry keyboards and key switches from the gaming community by now. There has been tons of talk about Cherry MX keys and the custom setups you can put together with varying degrees of clickiness and travel and responsiveness in the different keys they offer. There's a whole world of custom keyboards too, but putting one together or even knowing which pre-build to buy can be a bit daunting to someone new to that space. I've always liked the idea, but continue to buy Apple A1243 keyboards for their short key travel and overall consistent feel. Years of using laptops has made long key travel really hard to get comfortable with again for me. It seems that a lot of the high-quality keyboards that are available are made for gaming or include additional multimedia controls, macros, RGB lighting, and things that require additional software or drivers to be set up or run from the host machine. And that's a huge no-go for anyone working on a company-provided machine that doesn't allow you to install additional software or drivers. In addition to that, many of the wired options that you'll come across are budget offerings only. Manufacturers tend to like putting their higher quality components only into their more expensive wireless keyboards, making finding a high quality, simple wired keyboard an interesting challenge. This Stream model from Cherry is super quiet though. It's extremely fast to type on and does everything you would expect from a simple, professional quality keyboard. The price is very reasonable, and it sets a high bar for the quality that you should expect from a basic keyboard these days. There is no additional software to load either, and the cable is plenty long for a modern standing desk. I think they've really done this one right in a handful of very subtle but critical ways. For business professionals, writers, students who are used to living on a laptop, and for everyone who is locked into using company-provided machines, this is your keyboard. You really should check it out. It's surprising how little attention this one gets for how well it hits such a critical group of criteria. But here it is from Cherry, a great reputable keyboard manufacturer, and this one is all for business. That's all for the Cherry Stream Basic Wired Keyboard. Thanks for watching.